This is what we made today using some puff pastry and some Vienna, and this is the size that you want to cut your puff pastry into. Take your Vienna and roll it onto the puff pastry until everything is blended together. You're just gonna keep rolling. From there you will thinly cut it the way that I am showing you guys, with the exact same size, and you're gonna start to separate each piece separately, just like that, and make sure you press it down in the middle, and that is how it's supposed to look like. This is the shape that you want. Then on all the pieces that we have, we are going to put some cheese in the middle, and once that is done, you will take any sauces that you know your kids love. For me, it's barbecue and the mustard mayo and honey mustard. And then once that is all done, you know me, I love me some parsley. I love the way parsley just adds color to things. And 210 minutes on a preheat oven, and it was done. This is how it's supposed to look like. And now I'm just putting it aside to cool down while I pick the snacks for the day. We have some chips, we have this cranberry and cashew energy bar, then we've got some oranges, and then of course some cranberry juice. And this is the lunchbox I'm using. I'm just gonna put there 2 for my boy, and then we close that off and did the exact same thing for baby girl, and of course cranberry juice and bottles of water. Mini pizza for lunchbox today. So I buy this little mini pizza that only have cheese and tomato base and no toppings, and I pretty much add any toppings of my choice for the kids, starting with the barbecue and then the honey mustard sauce, and then I slice some ham, some bacon, pretty much anything that you want to top it up with. And then you're going to add your own cheese, and then add some parsley for color, and then on the oven for 200 for 10 minutes. And this is how it's supposed to turn out. Once that is done, you slice every single mini pizza individually, and this is how it's supposed to look, nice and cheesy. From there I moved on. I put this separately so that it can cool down while I pack the snacks. I get this from Woolies. It's a custard and a jelly, and then these little mini pretzels that come in different shapes that the kids love. I'm also going to put that with some popcorn, and you're just gonna put that at the top. Then I top it up with some Good Morning biscuits, because today he has soccer, so I pack a little bit extra, and now it was time to bring the pizza in and the juice. And overall for Big Brother, this is lunch for today, and there will be no fruit going in today because he asked for custard and jelly. So this is pretty much it. Now moving on to baby girl, I did 4 pizzas for her, a mini energy bar, some popcorn and pretzels, and some grapes, and of course you have to add juice, and that is pretty much it. And each of them, they get their own water bottle, and that's it, guys.